Switch to T-Mobile easily and confidently. Now, the switching process is faster than ever, and this step-by-step guide will show you how to move your number, choose the right plan, and activate your service without problems. What you need before switching. Keep these things ready: your current carrier login, your phone's IMEI number, your phone must be unlocked. These 3 things prevent most switching issues. Step 1. Start your switch. Open the official T-Life app, tap Start Your Switch. Become a T-Mobile member today. Click on Easy Switch and select your current carrier. Log in to verify your number. Step 2. Choose your plan. Compare your current bill with new plan. Check data limits, hotspot usage, international benefits. Pick single line or family plan. Step 3. Keep or upgrade your phone. You can. Keep your current phone, upgrade to a new one. Delay your upgrade for up to 90 days. If trading in, enter your IMEI. Confirm you want to keep your phone number. Step 4. Confirm and check out. Review. Number of lines, plan details, any new devices, choose delivery method, create your account PIN. Step 5. Activate and start using. Insert SIM or activate eSIM. Your number transfers automatically. Service usually activates the same day. Common mistakes to avoid: switching before unlocking your phone, entering wrong login details, canceling old carrier too early, forgetting your account PIN. Is switching to T-Mobile worth it? T-Mobile is worth switching to if you want easy online switching, flexible plans, the option to keep or upgrade your phone. For heavy users, always compare plans before deciding. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. Have you switched to T-Mobile before? Drop your experience in the comments. Like, subscribe, and follow Tekzoid for simple, honest tech guides.